Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a Stripe account. First, open your web browser and go to the official Stripe website. Once the page loads, look for the button that says Get Started. Click on it to begin the sign-up process. You will now see a form asking for your basic details. Enter your email address, your full name, and create a strong password. Make sure to select your country from the drop-down menu carefully, because this will affect how your account is set up. After filling in all the required fields, click on Continue. Next, Stripe will ask for your business details. Start by entering your business name and confirm your business country. Then, you may be asked to provide your business website and a short description of what you do. If you do not have a website yet, you can skip this step and continue. After that, Stripe may suggest a recommended setup based on your answers. You can follow their suggestion or choose to customize your setup based on your own needs. Take a moment to review the options and proceed. Once this step is complete, you will be taken to the Stripe dashboard, specifically the Sandbox environment. The Sandbox is a testing area where you can try out features like payments, invoices, and subscriptions without using real money. Click on Go to Sandbox to begin exploring. From there, you can create a test invoice or simulate a payment to understand how everything works. Thanks for watching.